Hey everyone, Alice here from Foodie Mom. It's that time of the year, back to school. So today we're all about meal planning and quick, easy, healthy recipes to get us through this school year. We're here at Metcalfe's today. Let's go inside. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Alice.
Thank you so much for meeting with me here today.
Thanks for coming in.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your role here at Metcalfe's and what you do?
Sure thing. I am the Assistant Director of Operations and a registered dietitian. So as a registered dietitian, that background is uniquely suited to help us find the better for you products for our stores, organic and natural items. I also collaborate with our chefs in store to have new items on our menu and making sure that the nutritional quality is where we want those.
I love that.
So it's really great. It's an integrative role that can really add that nutrition aspect to our stores we're looking for.
That's wonderful. And we're gonna be making some recipes today.
We are. I'm so excited.
I am too. Can we walk through the produce section and pick some things out?
Absolutely. Here at Metcalfe's, as you're probably aware, we have a large selection of local products, over 3,500 local products in our stores, and our produce department is no different. A lot of great local vendors. We also have a large selection of organic items, so we will have no problem finding what you're looking for your recipes today.
That's great. Let's go. Hey guys, we are back. Lisa and I just picked up a lot of great produce, and today we're gonna make a green goddess avocado dip. This is a family favorite. I love to make this for my kids as an after-school snack. It's super healthy. We're gonna serve it with some fresh veggies. So let's get started.
Awesome. Let's do this, Alice. This is right up my alley because, as you mentioned, it's super nutritious.
Yes.
And it's easy. So I'm so glad that you're making this recipe with avocados. They're filling and satisfying and full of all the healthy fats that we want to get for our skin and brain.
And now I have some fresh parsley.
Okay, parsley, great for detoxification. It's another green to get in, loaded with some vitamins. Super. It's a superfood.
Yes, and cilantro.
And cilantro. Who doesn't love cilantro? Cilantro is great. It's great for your liver. It helps detoxify. Of course, you're familiar with cilantro on tacos, so adding cilantro to a dip like this might get kids interested in using cilantro more.
Absolutely.
It's hidden in there. You know, it's not a strong cilantro taste.
Right, right. And walnuts.
Fantastic. Walnuts are brimming with healthy fats again. They have a great amount of fiber, so it helps fill you up. A very nutritious food to add, and it's an interesting way to sneak them in. I like that you're adding them in this recipe.
Just gonna drizzle in some olive oil, fresh lemon juice. I also add a touch of red wine vinegar.
Okay.
I add a little bit of dry coriander. And last up, I just add salt and pepper. And then the last thing is water, and that's just to help blend everything up. And then we just blend everything up.
Off we go. Fantastic.
And that is it. It's done. So I like to leave it a little chunky because I do like a little bit of texture in there.
Sure. So let's get this in a bowl and let's get busy chopping some veggies that we can dip into our wonderful dip.
Yes, that sounds great. My kids actually love eating vegetables, and I feel like anytime you offer like a great dip with the veggies, they're open to eating anything.
If you serve a dip with the veggies, kids will do better with it. Did you know bell peppers have more vitamin C than oranges?
Really?
Yes. This looks absolutely spectacular. I don't know if you could get a higher score on a nutritious snack for kids. I mean, you nailed it with this recipe.
So we just finished making the green goddess avocado dip. This is a great recipe for an after-school snack for your kids. We have one more recipe that we want to make, so we're gonna go grab some more ingredients here at Metcalfe's. All right, Lisa and I are back. We just picked up some great ingredients. We're gonna make a fresh spinach pesto. I love mixing spinach and basil and fresh greens together.
It's a great way to use up what you have extra, right?
Yes.
You have that little bit in the kit you didn't use, you know, your salad kit.
Yes.
You can put it in there, so you're using spinach. So if any extra, it's a great, easy thing to use up, right?
garlic.
Garlic,
Have to add
great.
in the garlic.
Huge anti-inflammatory, great for cholesterol, blood pressure, so adding garlic to your foods is a great addition.
Pine nuts.
Pine nuts in general are good for our heart-healthy fat, so we're layering that with the heart benefits of garlic in here. Fantastic.
And I'm gonna add in some Parmesan cheese.
Perfect.
And then now we just blend everything up. So the other thing I love about this, obviously, is that it's so easy.
Pop the top on and away you go.
Yep.
And you're blending it before you add any oil to it.
Yep.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna turn it back on, and then as my food processor is going, I'm gonna slowly pour in the olive oil.
Gotcha. Smells so fresh. Mmm.
Just a little bit of salt. We have some great veggie noodle options.
Yes, there's a lot of options for the veggie noodles. These kind of hit mainstream a couple years ago. Swap out regular pasta for a veggie noodle.
Absolutely.
And you'd have a low carb option. It would be vegan, gluten-free, paleo. So depending what lifestyle you're following, that could be an option.
So we just finished this beautiful spinach pesto pasta. Lisa, thank you so much for being here with me today.
Thank you for coming. You're a dietitian's dream. You made 2 healthy recipes that were quick and easy. Thank you. This has been great.
For this recipe, visit hipfoodiemom.com. And for hours and locations for Metcalfe's, visit shopmetcalfes.com.